Hello, my name is Alfonso, and I want to give you a big welcome to my online world. Affiliate marketing has been my business for several years, so if you are here, perhaps you are also in it or want to start your journey. Whether you've just started online and haven't earned your first commission, or you have been earning commissions here and there and want to scale things up quickly, I've been where you are right now. I have been doing this for a long time now, and even now I have tough days. But, let me tell you something. This is not for everyone. Joining a simple business opportunity where others are posting screenshots won't mean you will make money. The people who do, are the ones that have the skills and mindset to recruit others. You have to invest in yourself, your mindset, and your skills, and become the person who can become successful. I have been doing this for a long time now, and even now, I have tough days. Anyone who thinks running a business online or even offline is easy is going to be shocked when they get started. I am sure we have all seen these quotes online about the iceberg effect and so on. This really is true. Before you start anything, always ask yourself, are you willing to put the work in to make this thing work? Are you willing to miss out on things to make this business work? Every single business person I know makes sacrifices, works hard, and keeps pushing. Many things in our industry paint a picture that what we do is easy, but it's not. Some people will jump in and have success early. Others will struggle for a long time until they start to learn what makes the business they have chosen tick. I was in this category. So please, if you think this is easy, or you think there is a magic button you can press, please shake yourself a bit. Yes, there are things out there that make it easier. There are things that teach you shortcuts, but you still have to work hard and smart. Anyway, rant over, just make sure you are dead serious about your business, and that's what it is. I don't promise you a rose garden. Nonetheless, I will be alongside you to ensure that you don't make the same mistakes that 95% of people do. But let me tell you more about what we are doing. When you come into something brand new, I understand what you're thinking. It doesn't work. And I really can help you achieve the financial freedom we're all seeking online. And who the hell is this guy I'm watching right now in this video? I started where you are right now. Whether that's brand new and not made your first commission online yet, or maybe you've been earning a few commissions here and there and you want to scale things up fast. Having gone through these struggles myself for years and years before I saw any success, I understand the struggles you will face. Even now, I still remember my very first sale, and it was awesome. An awesome feeling. I want to give that to as many people as possible. Now you might be thinking, well, that's great. But how can you help me? I'm part of an ecosystem where we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on traffic and testing. We've done and tested everything we could until we found what works. This training is not some push a button and $1 billion trillion will come out. It's not what it is. But these are the exact steps you need to take to reach success much faster than I did whilst cutting out all of the mistakes. I don't want you to spend the next few years working things out, making mistake after mistake. Things like this, the real stuff that really works is to buy $7 products that promise to earn thousands just by being in. And if you stick with me throughout this training, you will find out how we can help you to reach your financial and personal goals. Now just imagine being able to have a holiday whenever you like, or spending more time with your family. But remember, this is not will be a rag to rich story. You'll have to work. I'll be there with you. The best thing of all, which I love, is being able to do whatever you want whenever you want. This can all be achieved with a system we have put together. All you have to do is go through this training and apply it. But Alfonso, I hear you ask, what makes the Academy so different? Well, let me show you. Here's what we've done. We've created a Facebook group, which you can have free access. We are going to show you the people that are making commissions every single day. So, in our group every day we do a post just like this where we post the number of people, the people who have made commissions in the last 20 hours. I want to see your name on here. So you can see this is one day for all of these individual people. When you come to the group, you'll see these are all real people. You can actually click on their Facebook and ask them how they did it. And you can see that they're all real people. So that was one single day. Now we'll look at another day. Here we go. You can see all of these people's own commissions in the 24 hours leading up to this. This is one single day and your name can be on this list after you have been through the Academy training. It's not just that, it gets better. I am going to show you some of these people's individual results, including mine's. So let's have a look at a few examples. We'll have a look at some of these people's real-life results. You can see what people are earning by following the training inside the Academy. You will have access to all the training you need to make this happen. Now, I also want to show you some other individual user results. How awesome is that? You can do this too. Are you in? I will be alongside you to ensure that you don't make the same mistakes that 95% of people do. The first step is click the link in this post, join our group and send me a message or leave a comment below. See you inside OLSP.